And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the style tag. It's a simple tag. It's used to style your documents, and it doesn't belong inside of the body. It comes here inside of the head. So it's not information that's displayed in the browser on the left hand side. Instead, it's meant to style the information that is visible. You use style opening and closing tag, and inside you select the elements that you want to style. See right here we've got the style tag text, and it's encapsulated in h2 tags. So I can target the h2 inside of my style tags, and then, for example, change its color. For now it's black, so this is the default color. Once I'll make it red now. I save and reload, and I've got it in my browser window, so let me check. I've made a typo right here. Obviously it's style for the opening tag. Let me correct that, and I refresh my page. And now it's gone, and our style tag text, so the one that's encapsulated in the h2 tags, is now red. And inside of the style you can add lots of these selectors. For example, let me use the P element, and I'll make it a background color of light gray. I'll refresh my page, and I will target this element right here. So usually style isn't really used in that way anymore. You use it in external documents, so external CSS, instead of putting it inside of the document. But if you stumble across it, this is what the style tag is for. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.